Many homeowners overlook plumbing maintenance until issues like leaky faucets or clogged drains arise. Yet, with some knowledge and a bit of effort, you can tackle budget-friendly DIY plumbing upgrades. In this video, we'll explore simple to advanced projects that will help your home's plumbing. Here at MechMinds Hub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Stick around until the end, as each budget-friendly upgrade will not only save you money, but also enhance your home. Fixing leaky faucets is a useful DIY skill that not only helps you save water, but also lowers your water bills. To start, turn off the water supply. Then take apart the faucet to find issues like worn-out O-rings or washers. You can replace these with new parts, easily found at hardware stores. For a smooth repair, use basic tools like an adjustable wrench, screwdriver, and plumber's tape. Troubleshooting tips involve checking for loose parts and ensuring everything aligns properly. Regular maintenance not only conserves water but also promotes sustainability and cost-effectiveness. By following these simple steps with the right tools, you'll gain the confidence to identify and fix leaky faucets, making DIY plumbing achievable for everyone. These upgraded fixtures, tagged with a WaterSense label, bring great benefits. They help in reducing water usage, leading to lower bills and a smaller impact on the environment. Knowing the WaterSense label is crucial. It means the product meets the Environmental Protection Agency's or EPA standards for water efficiency and performance. When it comes to installing these fixtures, doing it yourself is not just cost-effective, but also empowering. Simply turn off the water, then follow the straightforward step-by-step instructions that come with the new fixtures. Basic tools like an adjustable wrench and plumber's tape are typically all you need. Opting for water-efficient shower heads and faucets not only promotes eco-friendly living, but also demonstrates how straightforward DIY upgrades can create a positive impact on your home. These low-flow toilet fixtures help in reducing water usage, leading to lower water bills. Installing them is hassle-free. You can either swap out parts in your existing toilet or opt for a dual flush conversion kit. With this kit, you get to choose between a low water flush for liquids and a regular flush for solids, making your water use even more efficient. The installation process is straightforward, requiring just basic tools like a wrench and following the simple step-by-step instructions. Making this change not only saves you money and water, but also highlights how easy it is to make eco-friendly choices at home. Recognizing the importance of insulating home pipes is essential to keep your place warm and energy efficient, especially in colder months. Insulation acts like a protective shield, stopping heat from escaping and preventing pipes from freezing. You can find different insulation options, like pipe insulation sleeves or foam pipe wraps, at your local hardware store. Think of these materials as cozy blankets for your pipes, helping them maintain water temperature and improve overall energy efficiency. Installing insulation is a breeze. Just use basic tools like scissors and tape. Cut the insulation to fit your pipes, secure it with tape, and you've made a significant stride toward a cozier home and lower energy costs. Recognizing and applying this straightforward process demonstrates how effortlessly you can boost energy efficiency at home, even without advanced DIY skills. Let's talk about some easy yet powerful ways to keep your drains clear and eco-friendly without resorting to strong chemicals. Imagine this. You can prevent annoying clogs using simple ingredients from your kitchen, like baking soda and vinegar, or using a trusty drain snake. It's like giving your pipes a breath of fresh air. The key is regular maintenance. Pour some hot water down those drains every so often to keep things flowing smoothly. Troubleshooting is a breeze too. Check for hair or debris, and if things get a bit stubborn, grab a plunger for a quick fix. So, here's the deal. Keeping your drains happy is straightforward with these simple steps. With a little regular care, your plumbing system will run smoothly without needing those harsh chemical cleaners. Think of it as giving your home's pipes a spa day. Easy, effective, and eco-friendly. Your water heater can contribute to those bills, often working even when you don't need hot water. But no worries, you can take control by adding a water heater timer, a simple yet effective tool that cuts down on energy use during low demand times. It's like telling your water heater to take breaks when it's not necessary. Pretty smart, huh? The installation process is a breeze. You set it up to match your routine, ensuring hot water is ready when you need it, without wasting energy when you don't. So, picture being the boss when your water heater kicks in, effortlessly saving both energy and money. It's a win-win, making your home more energy efficient without any complications. Think about this. Updating your faucets with touchless technology and water-saving features, it's like bringing your home into the future while being mindful of water usage. These upgrades not only make your faucets more efficient but also add a touch of sophistication to your space. Imagine turning on the water effortlessly without touching anything, all while reducing water waste. It's a win-win. Now, the process of installing these sleek upgrades is a piece of cake, usually with step-by-step instructions included. So, picture transforming your daily routines with stylish, efficient faucets that make your space both practical and visually appealing. It's like giving your kitchen or bathroom a little refresh, all while enjoying the benefits of modern technology and water conservation. Discover a sustainable way of using water by repurposing gray water from your home for non-potable purposes. Picture this: turning water from showers, baths, or laundry into a valuable resource for watering plants or flushing toilets. It's a game changer, transforming your daily water usage into a sustainable practice that benefits both the environment and your water bills. This guide simplifies the basics of gray water systems, breaking them down into easy steps that anyone can implement. Think of it as creating a mini water recycling system at home without any confusing jargon. By following these straightforward instructions, you'll not only cut down on water waste but also contribute to an eco-friendly plumbing system. Imagine connecting your plumbing system with smart devices that go beyond simple leak detectors. Picture this: introducing water usage monitors and more, like giving your home's plumbing a modern, tech-savvy upgrade. I'm here to guide you through this process, making it straightforward to understand. Get real-time insights into how your plumbing is performing while enhancing the efficiency of your water use. Think of it as bringing practical technology into your home, giving you control over your water usage without unnecessary complications. Explore eco-friendly pipe materials like PEX and copper, understanding how they bring benefits to your plumbing system while contributing to a greener and longer-lasting setup. This guide will simplify the information, helping you make choices for your plumbing materials that consider both sustainability and longevity. Think of it as finding the best materials that not only work well, but also make your plumbing system more environmentally friendly and durable. As we reach the end of our video covering budget-friendly DIY plumbing upgrades for your home, we trust you've gained useful tips to enhance your plumbing system while saving money. Your opinions and experiences matter to us, so share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.